Girl, where you go to get your nails done? Me. At home. Girl, these are press-ons. No way. Please show me how. Girl, I got you. When I tell y'all, this set was on fleek. This set is on fleek. I'm gonna show y'all how I put on my press-on nails, make them last for over 2 weeks. And also, it takes about 10 minutes to do my process. So yeah, go ahead and like that video. Make sure you subscribe and don't forget to comment down below. These are the nails we're going to use today. I love Sally Hansen's nails. Why? Because they are really sturdy. When you do not want to do the acrylic method, make sure that you get some quality press on nails. If not, then they are going to be popping off. They're going to break in half. These were really great quality and they are perfect for the summer. I got mine from Walmart. They were about $8, which honestly, y'all, that's a really good price considering, girl, you go to the nail salon, $60-$70. So first we're going to start off with the alcohol prep pad. This is the only nail glue that I use. I will leave it linked down below. I normally get it from Dollar General. Trust me, girl, if you do not want your press-on nails popping off every 5 seconds, you need that glue. We're going to go in with some toenail clippers, also a salon board. Now this next step, I am just going to toss out all of the press-on nails and I'm going to separate them from smallest to largest. I feel like this is just a good way for me to kind of separate them out. So when I look for the press-on nails, I kind of already know what press-on nails to pick for my nails. Also, I like the Sally Hansen press-on nails because they give you like 25 nails. It's a lot. So I really do like that. So you can find your perfect match. So here I am just going to be taking some press-on nails, seeing if they fit. If they fit wall to wall, that is a perfect match. If your press-on nails are too big, if it overlaps your nail, you do not want that. You don't want any of your natural nails to show through. So make sure you take your time with this. You want to make sure that you get the perfect fit for your nails. This is like my secret because people always think that I go to the nail salon, and girl, I do not. I do them at home, and yes, they are press-on nails. The only reason why they think that I went to the salon is because I make sure I have the perfect fit. So we do have some extra nails. We're just going to keep those in a little baggie. And this is my set, y'all. One thing I will say is if you have extra press-on nails, make sure you keep those, because if one pops off, if it cracks or anything, you can just pop another one on, girl. Just do the same method and pop it right back on, okay? So now let's get into it, okay? We're just going to file the top layer of our nails. We do not want to go too hard on this. You just want the top layer. You just want to roughen this up a little bit. You don't want to damage your natural nails. Also, if I know I'm going to keep my press-ons on for a long time, I do kind of just trim them a little bit. You don't have to, but I do. And fun fact, this was actually my birthday set. I actually went to Texas. Y'all will see that in the whole vlog. I am still trying to edit because, girl, it was a lot. I had these nails on from the 13th of June until the 30th of June. Yeah, girl, over 2 weeks. So now I am just going to push back my cuticle. You don't want to be too rough with your cuticle. Just push it back, girl. Just push it on back. Sometimes I will do like a side method to where I kind of like swoop the cuticle to the side. It's kind of hard to explain, but sometimes I will do that. Now I'm going to go in with my alcohol pad and just make sure that nail is really dehydrated, because you don't want any oil, anything on your nails. You do not want to touch your nails with your fingers once you have done this step, because you do not want any oil to transfer back onto your natural nail. You want them to be as dry as possible. Now let's get into this nail glue. Okay, so the best way to apply your nail glue is to put a dot in the middle of your nail and then spread the glue out, then place on your press-on nails. That is the best way to ensure that you have no bubbles or anything, because this set is clear at the bottom, and y'all, you do not see any bubbles. So you want to make sure you do that. Also, make sure you apply your press-on nail straight. Before you press down, girl, make sure it is straight. It does not need to be crooked. So you just want to do that on all of your nails. So for that natural flawless look, make sure that you put your press-ons a little bit under your nail bed so it looks like it's coming out of your nail bed. Okay, so that is how you get that natural look. So here we are, girl. I always file the bottoms, which I hate this part, but you want to make sure it's nice and crispy. Okay, another tip I have is, this is actually coconut oil. Wait an hour before you apply any cuticle oil, anything, y'all. I'm telling you, it makes a difference. Look at those nails, girl. Look at those nails. You can't tell me it's not giving salon. It's not giving, okay? And this was my birthday set, y'all. This was so cute. I actually took these press-on nails to the salon with me, and I got my toes done the same color as these press-on nails, girl. If you have any questions about press-on nails, girl, leave them down below in the comment section. I am here to help, okay, girl? Because we trying to save this money and still look good, period. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video. It helps me out so much. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. Thank you for tuning into Pink Fluff Empire, and I will see you girls on my next video.